In this video, we are going to talk about Luna Classic, some of its recent price action, the important support and resistance areas, and where we can expect the price of Luna to go in the next few days and weeks. So we're going to look at the weekly chart, and what we can see is that for many years now, Luna has basically just been dumping, and it never recovered anywhere even close to where it was back in 2022. Although it did get some very significant rallies, Luna has been in a very clear downtrend in the last few years, with each high being lower and almost every low being lower as well. And after Luna basically doing nothing throughout the entire year of 2025, basically just consolidating for a while and then dumping a bit later, in the last month or so, Luna has gained a lot of hype with its very explosive rally in the start of December, but after that in the last couple of weeks, it very quickly started dumping again. So did Luna start a reversal, and can it continue to rally, or is it just going to continue its downtrend and create new lows? In my opinion, there are three crucial levels to look at for Luna right now. The first one, and the least crucial one, is the level that Luna is at right now. This is the same level that Luna was at back in October, and it got a slight rally from there. So this is a support area, but it's not so strong, and I think that most likely Luna will continue dumping a bit lower and lose it unless Bitcoin starts doing very well very soon, and that will likely lead to Luna getting a rally from here right away. But I think the more likely scenario is that it goes down to one of the next two support areas. The next support area would be this trend line. If we connect the low for Luna from back in the October liquidation event and the more significant low from November, we can get this trend line, and this would be the next support area for Luna. A dump for Luna all the way down to the trend line would still be a dump of about 25% from here, but I think that the chance of a rally for Luna from there is a lot more significant, especially if we also see Bitcoin doing well from there. And then the next support area after that would be slightly below that at this low from November, and this would be a dump of about 35%. And of course, Luna doesn't have to get a rally right away from the exact level, so I think that the most likely scenario is that Luna continues dumping to around this area between the trend line and the low from November, so a dump of about 25 to 35%, and it will likely test that area and at least get a bit of a relief rally from there. And potentially, if Bitcoin actually starts doing well and we see the entire crypto market doing better, then Luna could actually get a very significant rally from there, potentially something similar to what we've seen in November, or even something a lot more significant like the rallies we've seen back in 2023 and 2024. So I think that it's a bit too early to get into Luna right now. Of course, this is not financial advice whatsoever, but I think that the most likely scenario is that Luna will continue dumping. I think that most altcoins in general will continue to struggle until Bitcoin actually starts doing a lot better, and I don't see any reason why Luna would be any different. I think that it will most likely continue lower to the support areas that I talked about, and then once it hits them, Luna getting a rally is going to be a lot more likely. But still, of course, Luna is an incredibly small market cap coin, and it is very volatile and risky, and it could even reach the support area and lose it right away and continue dumping a lot lower. Luna is nearly at all-time lows, and if it loses these support areas that I talked about and even goes down below the price back in the October liquidation event, then Luna will continue dumping a lot more. And I think that in general, in the long term, Luna will likely continue its downtrend. I don't think that Luna will get any really significant long-term recovery, and any type of rally that Luna will get will likely not be sustainable for a long period of time. And I think that the only chance for Luna to actually get a very significant rally is if we see a significant altcoin season in the entire market. So if we only see a slight rally by the entire crypto market and nothing major like the alt seasons we've seen back in 2017 and 2021, then it will likely stop somewhere around the area that it consolidated at earlier in 2025. So from the support area, this would be a rally of about 80 to 150%, I would say, which is very significant. But again, for such a small market cap volatile coin like Luna, this is actually not that amazing, and it wouldn't really justify the risk that comes with Luna, in my opinion. But if we actually see a very significant altcoin season like what we've seen back in previous cycles, and we see a period of euphoria in the entire crypto market, then Luna could actually go closer to the previous highs, probably still lower than the previous highs from 2023 and 2024, but it could still be a rally of about 400%, potentially even more than that. If Luna gets all the way up to this trend line, this could be a very significant rally, but I think that it is pretty unlikely at the moment. And again, this is not financial advice whatsoever, but I would personally avoid Luna at the moment because I think that it will most likely continue dumping a bit further. and it might be a better opportunity once it reaches the next support area, about 30% down from here. That's going to be it for this video. If you enjoyed it and you want more updates about Terra Luna Classic as well as other altcoins, make sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.